all the Bwwm. Good morning, fam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. So loves, today's video we are starting it up early in the morning. This is around 6 a.m. in the morning. I have some dresses I need to wash. Okay, so that's why I had to wake up really early. You're still having the water issue. Hopefully by this week they will resolve it. So loves, this is very early, like literally very early in the morning. How was your day? Happy new week. So these are the dresses I have to wash. I soaked them last night, so I'll be able to wash it this morning. And soaking of dresses in the night helps to remove these stains, and make the dress more easier to wash. Okay, so this is just me saying you guys good morning, and this is how my face looks like, so swollen. And you know that madam also woke up as I woke up early in the morning. She also woke up, so I just gave her this cartoon station to distract her so I can start washing the clothes. Like these clothes, it was so much, and this was madam's clothes, so I just needed to wash it because her dresses are almost finished, and I've been piling up dresses. I don't like piling up dresses just because of this water issue, but hopefully by this week they will resolve it. Thank you all so much for the massive love throughout all the vlogs. I really do appreciate loves, like I really do appreciate. So let me wash the dress, and I'll be taking you guys along with everything I'm going to be doing today, because today's vlog is going to be quite very busy. I hope you're enjoying this one with us. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome to my space. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. So love, let's keep on getting motivated to clean our houses and do everything. I'll see you in the next light. Washing clothes. Hey God, washing clothes with hand is not easy, seriously. Let's continue. Madam, she had not slept, like I don't understand. She woke up around the same time I woke up, around that 6 and she has been awake since then, and this is almost 7. Anyway, let me continue washing my clothes, Jared. This is the last one. I'm tired. I'm about to wash the last clothes right now. Oh my God. Yeah, there's her bedsheet. I'm going to wash her bedsheet, and it's already to 8. Anyway, let me keep on watching and then keep on praying. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next light. So loves, I'm done washing the dresses, and it's time for me to clean, like do like a deep cleaning in the bathroom. Anytime I wash clothes in the bathroom with my hands, even if the bathroom is clean, I'll have to wash it again. That's me for you. So right now I'm just cleaning the window, the mirror, everything. I'm just going to be cleaning the bathroom, and I'm also listening to my morning devotion with NSPPDA. So that's how I get myself. When I'm busy in the morning, I listen to my church. Even if I'm not doing anything, I still listen to my church, trying to be getting myself more closer to God. Okay, love. So this is what I'm using to clean the bathroom. I'm using Harpic, and I'm also using that stuff I used to use to wash my sink. Yeah, I'm going to use that to wash the sink. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you watched this extent, thank you all so much. Let me keep on cleaning, and
Had my head so deep in the sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have read.
So guys, right now I'm in Madam's room trying to tidy up. So come along with me to clean up her space. Want to come down? Yeah, I want to come down. You want to come out? Come out. I want to come down. I want to come out. That's not a place. Say come down. Say come down. Mimi?
So who knows where we're gonna land? I know you're scared, babe, I understand, but I got you, just take my hand. Hey, and this happens every time, but with you I know I'll be fine. You're the sun in my darkest night. Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby.
I'm done cleaning the toilets. Yeah. Lunch room is also cleaned. These toys, I'll show you guys how I place her toys on the floor. So this is how I arrange her toys, all in one place. So we are scattering only this room. Guys, I am done cleaning, I'm done cleaning the whole house. So I want to cook food. I have some soup and maybe stew. I'm not sure yet, but I know sure I need to cook soup. Okay, I got fish, so I want to cook soup today. I grounded my egusi and ogbono yesterday, so I want to cook soup today. Yeah, I'll just take you guys. Yeah, I'll just show you guys little clips of the soup. A full video will be coming up because I did like a 3 days cooking marathon. Like I'm cooking for 3 days. I cook the first day, I cook yesterday, I'm cooking again today. So I'm going to combine those cooking videos together, which will come out in a separate vlog. So I'll just show you guys a few things I'm doing in this particular vlog. This is a very, very productive day in my life. Yeah, I started this vlog by 6, washing my clothes, my daughter's dresses, cleaning. Now I'm going to cook. Now is need that water. Now is what's the time? Is 9:58, almost 10 o'clock. So let me answer small madam, which is giving her food, bath her, then I'll start cooking this soup because I know this soup is gonna take my time. Fish. Yeah, fish. Say hi. Say good morning. Come. Say good morning. Good morning. Alright guys, so catch you guys in the next clip, okay? Don't cry, baby. This is Pepper, okay? So enter inside your eye, alright? Don't worry, when mama is pounding the bone, you help her. She won't help me pamper. Pepper, no, say Pepper, they enter eye. If you're not careful, Pepper will just enter inside your eye. So she wants to help me to pound the Pepper. I'm telling her that. You should not worry. She'll pound the other one for me. It's okay. Oh my God. Why is your face like that?
Pepper.
It's not Pepper now. It's Ogbono. Yeah, Ogbono. It's called Ogbono. Okay, guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to use to cook the soup and stew. Oh, like, gonna be a lot of cooking. So this is our fish. I'm using fish for today's food. Okay, I'm tired of eating chicken. I ate more of chicken, meat. I ate fish like I think once or twice. So this year I want to try and eat more of fish. No matter fish is quite expensive. For only two fish I got it 3,700 for just two fish. It's expensive, but I need to eat more fish to get more omega-3. Yeah, is it omega-3 or omega-6? Which omega does fish give self? Which nutrient does fish give? Anyway, my brain. Let me go and bath madam. So I'll catch you guys in the next slide, okay? So love, this is me cooking the soup. I cooked egusi soup, ogbono, and stew. So all of them I use fish for it. A full video will be coming up where I show you guys how I cooked all these meals. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you watched to this extent. Thank you all so much for watching. Like guys, I really do appreciate your love and your support. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Liking a video makes you to push the video more. Okay love, so I'm just checking the soup, turning it and making sure everything is all right. So guys, I'm done for today. Like I'm literally done for today. I don't think I'm cooking any other thing today. I don't think I'm doing anything today. It's just to warm food and eat and finish. I finished cooking all the soup, the stew, everything, which will come out in another vlog. I hope you watch that video as well. Yeah, so I am done. Like my tired is tired. So tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow I have another agenda to do. Like I have timetable of things I always do every day. Anyway, I'll see you all in my next video. If you're new to the channel, hi, please don't make it your last. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So madam is trying to sleep. You know, she have not slept since that 6 o'clock she woke up, so I'm trying to put her to sleep so that she can sleep her afternoon sleep. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, positive vibe everywhere. Bye guys.